me way enya bosome a ade fa ahodie eba brabom ade fa ahodie eba awarem ade fa ahodie eba sukumu ade fa ahodie eba sugyediem afa fa ahodie mrawo wawo mu. This month is just not going to pass by. It's going to be a month of deliverance. It's going to be a month of purpose, and it's going to be a month of blessings. I don't pay. If you are under the sound of my voice, baby, I will be out to me, Kebia. I enforce the hands of heaven to cause freedom in your life. Mesha osoro anope se abrabom baby a wo se wonya fa hodie no. Anope mesha osoro se sa fa hodie no empire ma. This month should be a month of freedom. This month should be a month of celebration. Bosumi nya bosumi ade fa hodie brewo. Bosumi we nya bosumi a ade ehusane ebrewo. Bosumi we anya bosumi a eya bosumi a ede yedie ene anigye ne osede eba. Ebisa se ejira ya tutum se oh my God, Independence Day in this month, the 6th of March, dear. And that being the second day, the beginning, the working day of the month. And I get that, yes, you must say officially, no. Sir, and they, and yet da, and the found dear, and I was sunny a praying. Things should begin to change. Because the moment there is freedom, the moment there is independence, Ade ahosane brɛw ene amasesa enko asum biada awura abrabom abrabo akwa biara enko asum biada abawura efienim enko asum biada ewo awade anim enko asum biada ewa sukusemu ewo sikasemu sanko asum wei. There should be a liberation. There should be independent this month. And Yama entimi kosonya sa. Ya je akopo desa bosum we. Aya bosum ya ba sonko. Aya bosum ya. Ya ba count numbers no say pese esontem. Every say Eberu baby sa o count bosumi no o hara katia sa bosumi na kwata benso tema. It tells you that things are not going well. It tells you that things are not moving right. I don't pay you. And kwasum biabe numi biabe en kwasum awom. Any curse should be broken now. Under the supervision and authority of heaven. Yame ma no me biada free so sa bosumi we. Yame ba gugu bia free so bosumi we. Yame ma ne guase biada free ya so bosumi we. Na yame pai wo je ma ne ma sa bosumi we. And as well with your soul. Bosumi we ya bosumi a fast ya hodro ni ira da so chinemu. And of course, it will end in celebration. Lente kosu Ramadan kosu. It tells you, sir, the number 3. Oh, believe in numerologists, numerology, they will tell you the number 3. And those who believe in Trinity, like myself, know that the number 3 is a strong number. I'll pay. In Shrabia Wobusumi, Yamen Fandomie. Oh, your Jumam Yesika Sem, the Suku Sem, Yamati Tiem, Name Emma Fahudi area. And about 2 for young cropon. Or rather, sub your brass, sub your so. I'll pay okay. We say, may the peace of our Lord, which surpasses all understanding, Peace of our Lord Jesus Christ that superpasses all understanding be with us this morning. We say Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam. It is a beautiful Monday morning, the second day in the third month. Of course, it is the doing of the Lord. Your friend Kwame Nkwantabisa na Nkwantabisa ni anapeme na otena kopim se don kro bebo apemu don so pepepe emapa ni team no be ready. Lando Mo Wak Mo team no be ready to serve us. The biggest sports in town. On the tip of the brain, all the tip that we need. Yeah, both local and foreign sports, you know, at the brain. Now, about 7:30. Exactly 7:30, we'll be talking about a lot of things that is making the news. And we will be making the news this morning. And I'll pay the very State of the Nation address, Mukakra. 2025 State of the Nation address, 2026 State of the Nation address, the progress so far. More than why, yeah, so mine. And then Niama, His Excellency the President, Abu Bob show our State of the Nation address in Miabehe. So as to the Riasia Fanegina, Samuel Koso, the current situation at Iran, US, Israel. There's a lot that is happening. And when war said Okunsia over Africa, over Africa out to West Africa, over West Africa out to Ghana, over Ghana out to Ta, due to Kubase, or take Sudan, or to Tachibate, Yakade say, Anomabu, or to Yeji, or to Sompa out to Drobo, or take Kata, or to Oti, and Jamfahu. By every course of action, there is an impactor. Eba. The strength of Iran, more oil and all that. I'll pay. Aquabani say no. And they are cried between and so mine. Of course, Yabedi Kawaka crash shum, San Tokway, Diaba, and there are many probably sure to say in 1914 or the 28th day in July, no. A fast sober First World War happened here. And at the Second World War, looking at Iran, Israel, and then Udru go for now. Tokwan Kitty happen. They say any power Bebromu war, UAE, Dubai, and other places. And na bebre na mo flight adopano don peso to near cancel flight no ti ohod ma ultimate fly, especially call Europe, call other Asian countries, you know, Accra, call America, adding because of what is happening. And then areas bia grad the beginning them so ho can form one kind, but you see say ho nyina bomba shas ya toto ho. So how to be trap big say Iran and Israel they job ntokwa dem fire ho. That is we don't understand the international relations and things that enya ripple effect on us, on our economy. Kese pa. This is Russia Ukraine war by ya. They wanted to do politics out of that. Yes, and yes, but we know. Say bedroom baby no na fly why a ding at their mind. Other commodities that you free Russia and Ukraine. That fair be issues for us. And of course, people want to do politics. Say and Iran, Israel, US war. But I'm telling you, say never Sarah because to say a better baby. Shipping a bear oil after sea cry yenya because Udru Iran crack carry from their Trump king. Most of them war ships in the have been sunk. Iranians and also imagine said they will not allow the Americans to go scot-free. Jabaya Sabantana. Oh, interesting. na nya de panso e wo sesi the chabe kase as a stati Iran Israel then Aba US. If you follow the trends of world wars now, in 1914 what started, then countries were joining and Bekoba. I'll be telling you exactly what happened in 1914. Time our First World War nearby. And then what happened in the Second World War? And the fear of this current war, ECOSO. And the allies and other people who show interest. Already Britain for support what Israel is doing, US is doing. Other countries are just here to show muti. So it reminds us of what happened yesterday. Yes. Kaya Jemre be a sea so. A Kaya Mrebi de sea. So what happens that way now? Ultimate travel being so media and family home. Afao Ultimate say wait there say a baby wait there. Don't forget say other Ghanaians are even at Iran. Omuye adwuma God for no bebre ho omuye adwuma ti na foreign ministry ni release a communique African Union release bi all the continents release and you cannot tell me say it's not about us, it's about us. See over buy no abobiama God for them and then the current things that is happening, no. You're saying Yankopon say, "Oh, ya mobo," because I'm here near construction, and the same rusa. But you cannot sit in the comfort of your chair, say, and tessa keke. You cannot say, and tessa now and baby. So I'll pay you by you be what MP, National Petroleum Authority, is also saying. Ya oil the obi go. Ya reserve bi na ebedi sen kra Orlando Powers mo ay ready araba me kwaba Nkwantabisa nie me ba ye bedi komo bebre nyame hwaw na onte nanim hwaw.